Okay, I just wanted to make a video on how the brake line sensor on your 2014 Q5 Audi, we have the 3-liter diesel. Okay, so I thought that they go in sideways like that and then all the way down, but it didn't make sense to me. So how they really go in is like that. They just push in. These I don't know if they're copper or not, but they kind of act like a spring and just snap in just like that. So then when you put your brake pad in, that will go towards the top, and this gets up and around in through the caliper. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.